All right, friends, we're going to practice measuring around balls today. So remember, a ball is called a sphere. Can you say sphere? It's kind of a big word, sphere. Okay, a ball is a sphere. And when we measure around a ball, we're going to measure their circumference or the distance around the ball. Okay? So I've got my graph, or my two pieces of paper already taped together. I put the name of the three balls that I'm going to measure: baseball, basketball, and tennis ball. Okay, I've got my yarn. I'm going to take the end of the yarn in my hands. I'm going to hold it on one side of the ball, and then I'm going to wrap the yarn all the way around until it gets back to my finger. Okay? Then I'm going to pinch it with my other hand, pick up this hand, and that's where I'm going to cut it. Okay? So if I wanted to double check and make sure I did it correct, I would hold the yarn around and the two ends should meet up at the same spot. But you have to make sure that you're holding it all the way around the ball. Okay? And if I went over a little bit like I did, then all I have to do is trim it off. You might need help on your first one from your mom or your dad or your big brother or big sister. But now this is how long the distance around my basketball is how long this string is. So I'm going to put it down onto my graph. And you'll want to take a little bit of tape and glue it down so it's in a straight line. That way when you go to measure it, it'll be a lot easier. Okay, friends? And my graph isn't even big enough for my basketball, so I'm going to have to add some more paper to it. Look at that. All right, friends. Then I'm going to do the same for my other two balls, my baseball and my tennis ball. When I'm all done, I can even measure and see how long they are with a tape measure or a ruler. Okay, friends, have fun measuring the distance or the circumference around the balls that you picked out.